In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update links in Circle.so. This will be incredibly helpful for making sure all your shared content is current and directing your audience to the correct resources. So let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Circle.so account. It's always a good idea to ensure you have the right credentials handy. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. This is where you manage all of your spaces and content. Now go ahead and click on Space. You'll see this option in the main navigation menu. It's your first step to narrowing down where your post with the outdated link resides. Once you've clicked on Space, now you need to locate the specific space where your post is. You can find this by clicking on Spaces in the left sidebar. A drop-down will appear, showing all the spaces you're a part of. Select the one that contains the post you need to edit. It's crucial to make sure you're clicking the right space for efficiency. Next, within this space, locate the post you want to update. Clicking on it will open up the post in full view. From here, look towards the top right corner of the post for the pencil icon. This represents the Edit Post option. Clicking this will allow you to modify the post content. Now that you're in edit mode, locate the link in the post content that needs updating. Highlight or select this link to enable further options. In the editor toolbar, you'll see a link or chain icon. Click on this. Doing so will open a dialog box where you can update the URL. Replace the outdated link with your new link and hit Apply or Save. This ensures your updated URL is properly linked within the post. Once you've updated the link, it's a great time to review access and settings if you wish to control who can view your post. Scroll down to the Settings or Access section, make your adjustments, and remember to click Save Changes to store these settings. With all changes made, click Update or Save Post to finalize the changes you've made to the link. Congratulations, your link is now updated. To make sure everything is functioning as it should, it's a good practice to test the link. Click on the updated post in its space, follow the link, and ensure it leads to the correct and intended URL. This final check can save you a lot of hassle later on. And there you have it, a straightforward process for keeping your links in Circle.so up to date. Thanks for following along and happy updating.